This is Ken Rockwell with KenRockwell.com and KenRockwell.tv. Here's a Fuji XC 15 to 45 millimeter OIS power zoom PZ lens official unboxing. Here's the side of the box. You'll notice it's made in the Philippines. It's not made in Japan. Ordinary micro corrugated cardboard. Pop this open. You've got a little cardboard tray here. You've got the instruction manual in, 5,000 different languages. Okay, swell. You've got some warranty paperwork. You'll notice it says in the USA. That's a good sign. We've got a USA model here. Love it. Open this. Not much going on. It's secured by a korigami, I call it. It's a cardboard folded up. You've got the lens. This Q symbol, I borrowed this lens, so I'm not sure if this is the way it's actually sold with a little QC sticker on there like that. You've got your little lens. You've got a transit cap. These aren't really permanent caps. These are for the typical person who buys these inexpensive lenses, a point and shooter like my mom has a camera like this. And she can just throw this away as soon as you mount this on your camera. Or you can store it in your bag like this. Simply, full-time pro shooters do not buy the XC lenses, which is mostly plastic. Although it takes fantastic pictures. And here's your cap. And that's it for the Fuji XC 15 to 45 millimeter unboxing from KenRockwell.com and KenRockwell.tv.